Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for a spicy chicken achari. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So we heat a large pan over a medium heat, and to that we're going to spray some oil. Then we're going to add some mustard seeds, some fennel seeds, and some cumin seeds. And we'll just fry those for about a minute until they start to pop and the flavours start to come out. Now to that then we're going to add our chilies. I've just used one chilli and I've deseeded it, and then some onions. Give that a mix round, get them all coated in the spices. Now that our onions softened, we're going to add our ginger paste and some crushed garlic. Give that a good stir around, and then next we're going to add some tomato puree. And then some turmeric, some onion powder, and some chili powder. Give that a stir around and cook it for another few minutes. Now once all those spices are flavoured and have come out, we're going to add the chicken. Now we just stir the chicken gently and get it coated in all the spices. Now that the chicken's coated, we're going to add some water. Bring it to the boil. Now as always, the recipe and the description of how to make this are in the comment box below. Cover the pan, reduce the heat, let it cook for about 20 minutes, and take the lid off, take the heat off, and then to that we're going to add some natural yogurt. Just give that a stir around until all the yogurt's incorporated. Bring it back up to the boil, and now our chicken achari is ready to serve. As you can see, I've just served mine with some toasted naan bread. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.